Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you'll be fine today. Today we have brought you new and unique hijab party wear dresses ideas that you will definitely love. If you are looking for the best hijab dress for a party, this video will give you some inspiring ideas. Shimmering and glamorous hijab maxi dress will cover you up and make you look great in it. There are so many styles and designs to choose from this video. And get some ideas to create an attractive and beautiful hijab dress. There are many places where you can get modest party dresses. Apart from this, Muslim women's dress is perfect for daily wear as well as for parties and weddings.